All right, here's a good question where you're asked to model this data, and they say it's a linear regression, so I have to remember that. And do it in Desmos or graphing calculator. I'll show you how you can do it in Desmos. And then based on that model, I have to answer the question, if a new employee hired that had 12 years experience, how much should they get paid? So the first thing you want to do is to get that information into Desmos. So I'm just going to go to Desmos here, and I need to click on plus and add a table. Notice it gives me the titles of X1 and Y1. So I'll put in my data there. So for year 1, 39,343. Year 2, 39,891. Year 3, 60150. Year 4, 55,794. Year 5, 029. Year 6, 93,940. Year 7, 98,273. Year 8, 113, 812. Okay, so I have all my data in. Now what I want to do, and I can't really even see the data, right? I'd have to scroll a whole lot like this because I'm in the 39,000. But you can always hit that tool thing on the right-hand side there and change your label. So I'm going from X values of 1 to, we'll say 10. I'm going to 8, but I'll add a couple more. And then my Y values, I'm starting at, 39,000 and going up to 114,000. Now I'm gonna maybe just go 160,000 there. Okay, now let's see. Oh, there I've got some numbers. So I can see there's some data points there, and they look like they're increasing over time, right? So I want to model that with a linear function. So right below there, I type out y equals mx plus b. But I need to tell Desmos what I want to use. So I want to use the y value from that table, so I'm going to use y1. And then to tell it that you want it to approximate a line of best fit, you use a tilde. And you might have to hunt for that in Desmos somewhere. On a keyboard, it's top left, but in Desmos, you might have to hit function down there, and there's the tilde right there. Oh, I don't want two of them. I just want one there. Okay, so y1 and then mx, and I have to use that x from above, so it's x1 plus b. There we go. So there, and you take a look at that line, and it looks like it's an average of all those dots, pretty close. But right below, it tells you the numbers. Let me move this over a little bit. So it tells you what your slope and your y-intercept are. So this data can be modeled using this line, and that line is defined by this equation. Y is equal to mx plus b, and the slope is 11,009.5 x plus the y-intercept 21,361. 361.2. So that function there, or that equation, models that line. So then they ask the question, well, what happens if the person has 12 years? How much money are you going to pay him? So all I have to do is plug a 12 in right there where I see an X. Now, Desmos doesn't do that automatically for you, although I guess in a way it does. If you press and hold on that number or on the line, you can keep going up. I guess I got to keep going up a little bit further. There. Keep going up till I hit 15. Oh, there's around 15. So 15, 12 years of experience, sorry, 12. Right about there. So 153,000. Whoops. On the graph, it shows me about 153,000. But I can also do it with the calculator in Desmos. So I'll come down here and I'll type out 11,009.5 bracket. X, they want us to put a 12 in for there, bracket. and then plus 21,361.2. Okay, so that number comes out to 153,475.2. And I think that's what it was. I just rounded that. All right, hopefully that helps you in using Desmos to help you model a function. And on this exam, we're doing linear ones like this one, and we're also doing quadratic ones. So you have to be able to do that one too.